Besties, literally, like, oh my gosh, y'all, it's currently 6:18, 6:19. My nail appointment is at 7 a.m. because it's the only time she had, y'all, as a squeeze-in. And when I tell y'all that alarm clock has been snooze, I've been restarting it for like about a cool good 2 times. And I just realized, like, this is how school finna be. Like, if I can't get up at 6 a.m. and get ready, I need to get myself together because school is in less than a week. I already have how I want to get my nails. I am going to try to leave here at 6:30, 6:40 to be on the safe side. I cannot be late today. Before we get started with this vlog, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell if you have not, because you know, baby, what is you doing? This maintenance gonna be something so serious. Like, I know the way that I came on here talking to y'all make me a little ghetto, but this maintenance gonna be something so serious, okay? Cause literally, like, today is my nails, then I gotta go draw my wig off, get my wig dyed. I'm gonna show y'all the inspo, yeah, on the wig, and then I get my hair done Monday, my lashes done Tuesday, go to school Wednesday. So we cool. I'm thinking about getting my belly pierced. I'm gonna see how much it costs because I want to do that. But if I don't do that, y'all gonna see it in another vlog because it's gonna happen. I just don't know if it's gonna happen this week. So I'm gonna get back to you guys once I get to my nail appointment.
Coconut water, coconut water, and make sure this cookie tea. While we in Florida, he said I feel like a bad hoe. I'm like, yo, hold up, I'm trying to hop on your face and spark it up like a motor. Coconut water, coconut water, and make sure this cookie tea. While we in Florida, he said I feel like a bad hoe. I'm like, yo, hold up, I'm trying to hop on your face and spark it up like a motor. He think I act like a bougie, bitch. I keep this Susie clipped, got this corset on me, it's gonna make me have juicy tits. Used to rock polo, but now I got on that Gucci shit. If you keep talking, then I'ma act like a moody. He said I act like a bad hoe. I'm like, yo, hold up, I just got me a tan. Whoa, I here in Florida, I keep this dick in my sandals. I keep it loaded up. I'm in Dakota, sipping the Coca-Cola. Coconut water. He said he baby, they follow my orders.
I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Bro, it fucking took off, stupid ass bitch.
With my grill in my mouth. He from the East Coast, want a bitch from the South. He wanna power up, drink and get stoned. He want your life, fuck the prices, just close. We ain't dirty, spending money, gon' smile, little daddy. This ain't drinking, I ain't tripping, I just wanna see it happy. I've been ballin' in the mix, I've been making it happen. Booking flights, this my life, all off of rapping. Pink mix, pink drink, nigga, everything pink. Pink whip, pink slip, give a damn what you think. Say you want the pill sex, it's your show. If you is, then fuck it, let's go.
Okay, bestie, so it's currently 3:55, y'all, and me and my mom is finna be on the way to take my wig, drop my wig off so that I can get it dyed. I'm finna show y'all the inspo and then I'm gonna show y'all the wig. Yo, so this the inspo, y'all. I feel like everybody has done this already, but I haven't tried it, so it's my turn. And this is so cute to me. It's like 6:13. If y'all want the link, let me know. You know, it's not bad, honestly. No shade, but we finna see. Okay, so this is the wig. As long as the wig went up here, y'all, because for my birthday I got ripped off of my wig so bad. Like, y'all need to go check out my birthday vlog. My hair did come out cute, but it was supposed to be way longer than that. But I feel like, yo, this is finna be tea. Like, y'all, I've never tried a blonde wig. Like, usually, y'all, I dye my own wigs, but for back to school, I was kind of scared. Not scared, but I more so didn't. Like, I didn't want to try it. So I was just like, okay, I'm gonna just get somebody to dye my wig. But I'm gonna get back to you guys. Okay, y'all, so it is currently Tuesday. School starts tomorrow. I am in my lash appointment, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all my inspo. I'm not sure if this is what I'm gonna end up getting because I don't know if it's gonna be for the deal that I got. But I'm thinking about getting something like this, y'all. Like, I want to get something like with bottoms because I never tried bottoms before. If y'all been watching my channel for a long time, y'all know I do not get bottoms for lashes because each time I get my lashes did, I always just get like volume or cat eye, you know. And I was looking at this too. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna try to get in some clips for y'all. I'm gonna see if she can, like, you know, get a couple clips in. But if not, I'm gonna just show y'all the before and the after, okay? Okay, bestie, so I just finished getting my lashes did. Y'all, some girl just asked my YouTube channel. Y'all, they really made my day, no shade. Y'all see that back? I do not like coming here, y'all, because it be so high. Why it's going slow, babe?
Somebody get on fire.
Oh, ooh, I'm scared now.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What is it?
You know, I'm a small YouTuber, so baby, if somebody want to subscribe, baby, I'll be overly happy. I love these lashes, y'all. At first, I was looking at them like, dang, is they too thick? But, like, one thing about me and lashes, like, I have a love-hate relationship with my lashes. Like, when I first get them did, it's like I be liking them, like I don't be liking them, and then like as time go by I start to like them, because you know, like when you first, if you done got like stitches before, you know, when you first like done get your lashes in, your eyes be all swollen and stuff, because your eyes be a little burning, then you done been basically having them closed for 2 hours. So yeah, y'all, but I love my lashes. My hair appointment did end up changing. I was supposed to get my hair done yesterday, but I'm getting it done today at 2. So I'm gonna get back to you guys once I'm getting my hair done, and we not finna do too much talking. It's time for this maintenance, okay? Besties, I just made it home. I love my hair so bad. I love my hair so bad. Not my name in the background, I'm still decorating my room. I love my hair so bad, y'all. That is the end of this maintenance haul. But before we get in off this video, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, turn that post schedule on if you're not, because you're not, baby, what are you doing? What are you doing? Like, I feel like you should love it here. Like, we're relatable. I give cute, aesthetic, and funny for you each time, okay? But with that being said, I love you, my besties. Bye.